There are a number of ways to get help on the command line. The most common is a man page, which is short for manual page. To see the man page for a command, simply type man and the command for which you want more information. Here is the man page for the ls command we saw in the previous video. The content in man pages is organized into different sections. Here you can see it first lists the name of the command, a synopsis of how the command is used, and then a description of the arguments the command can take. This is the section you will most likely use the most. Sometimes there is a section that shows examples of how to use the command. Notice that some arguments can be specified in more than one way, like the -a option shown here. If you want to specify the argument using a single character, use the single dash form of -a. Alternatively, you can use two dashes and use the more verbose multi-character form of --all. To get out of the man page, simply press Q. Another option for getting help is the info command. It is intended to be a replacement for man pages. You simply type info and the command for which you want more information. Here's the informational page for the ls command. Notice that the content of the info command is structured more like a document than the man page. It goes into more depth about the command and how it can be used and can even include links to more information. This can be helpful if the usage of the command is complex. Unfortunately, usage of the info command isn't as widespread, so it may not be available for some commands. The last option for getting help on the command line is using the command itself. Many commands have a --help option that provides usage information. This is essentially documentation that is built into the command. This is the help documentation for ls. You can see that this is some of the same information we saw on the man page. It is just reformatted and abbreviated. You will find that you primarily use man pages for learning how to use a command and the --help option for remembering a specific option's usage.